let's get into some plant shopping at Ikea. Now look at these palms. They're humongous, as well as the Dracaena. Really large size, about 5 foot tall. Some of these up to 6 feet tall. Now they do have some discounts on the plants. I'm thinking these larger tropicals were $65, now they're down to $55. And could that be for the Dracaena? Normally $24. Oh, actually there's two different sizes. So the smaller palm is now $20 and that used to be $25. But check out these Dracaenas. They're gorgeous. 4 plants in the pot. And they're nicely braided up. So it'd be interesting to see how much these are. I wonder if they're on discount as well. They've got the jade plants. They do have some peace lilies. They're $15. They're tucked in all the way back there. And are they in 6-inch pots? Yeah, they're in 6-inch pots. The pothos, they've got 6-inch pots as well as 4-inch pots. We've got Sansevieria. This one's in a 6-inch pot as well. And the ponytail palm. Some more money trees. These are even smaller. And a Maranta. Got some jades. The jades are priced at $13 each. But a good size, a 6-inch pot. A 6-inch pot with a lot of plants in it. There's more of those pothos. This looks like the lemon lime Dracaena. This is the lemon lime Maranta. And these variegated peperomia. So the pothos, they're priced at $10 each. Now I'm not sure if that's a 4-inch pot or the 6-inch pot. They've got the Dracaena in a smaller variety. A smaller pot, looks like a 3.5-inch pot for $4. And loads of succulents. They've got Howorthias tucked in here. Look at this one. So many pops. And the color on this one, like a silver blue. Echeverias down here. Nice compact. This one looks like it's been freshly put out. No stretching on the leaves yet. Aeonium. This looks like Aeonium kiwi. If it gets a little bit more sun, I'm thinking it could sun stress nicely with some red and pink. We've got a Gollum Jade as well. And tons more. It's a little bit dark under here, so I'm hoping these sell quickly so they don't stretch. Now the orchids, they're on a bit of a discount, normally $20, now they're $15. They're past their prime, definitely. Maybe 1 or 2 can be salvaged. The roots look great. They're potted up in bark. So even if you can't enjoy the flowers right now, these will certainly survive until next growing season. This one's pretty. A little miniatures, $17. Now they're down to $12. They do have a lot of varieties of this Dracaena. Okay, over here, regular price $23. Now they're down to $17. And 3 in the pot in a 3-2-1 style. The little smaller ones are right here. Looks like they've got some tulips. The spring bulbs are on the way. So up here they've got bromeliads. Bromeliads are also discounted. 17 now down to 10. Oh, aloe is only $3. I think that's a good price for the medicinal aloe. They pop quite a bit. So you can get a full pot on these in no time. And when they're happy, they tend to get quite big. Oh, they're a bit wobbly in the pots though. Could use a repotting. Now these cactus, 3 in the pack are $15. It's like they've got their own little greenhouse. And they're in decorative pots as well. Oh, look at that one. There's 2 in that pot, and a puntia and a domino cactus. So lots to choose from. The spines on this one is interesting. And if you're into one with the fuzzy hairs on them, they've got those too. Now the moon cactus, these are $8 each. Nice vibrant colors. They've got an orange back here that's really vibrant. Although it's in the dark, it's really glowing. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? They've got the Calanchoes. These are $6. Oh, these anthuriums are way past their prime. Definitely priced to clear. They're down to 8. Now the bella palms, these are in 6-inch pots. And they're only $8. Oh, look at these ficus. They're so interesting, very intriguing. Now it looks like the 5 1/4-inch pots, they're $25. Nice ceramic pots as well. And over in the white, it looks like, well, it says 8 3/4-inch pot. Look at how nice and beefy the trunk is on this. What a beautiful specimen. And it has that character and detail right here that gives it a lot of interest. In the larger pot, they're $40 each. Now here's more of the spring bulbs. So they're tulips. They're $5 each. Not yet open, so just give them a bit of warmth at home and they'll start to spring up. We've got some daffodils. These are also $5. And they've got some more tropicals down here. We've got a syngonium tucked in here. Now, I see some interesting cactus. I always like double checking these just in case there's any variegated ones, any sport variegation in here. So far I don't see any. You got to check for some uncommon beauties that could have slipped through the production line. I was looking for the price of those cactus. I don't see a price listed. Here's another variety that they've got. More of a columnar variety. They also have decorative pots with the succulent arrangements. $17. We've got an Echeveria, Hoya, as well as the Cressula Jade in here. Oh, this one's really pretty. Now these arrangements, $17 each, and they're in a decorative pot. They've got some more Echeverias down here, $5 each. That's a nice one. Nice and healthy. Now this side looks like they're a little bit older, but this looks like a fresh batch over here. And if you need a plant accessory such as watering can, which is a nice design, the white or the cream with the gold accent handles is nice. There's also a discount on that, or new low price, now only $10. They've got some cutting shears, scissors, small pots of succulents in ceramic pots. This is interesting. Oh, it's more like a plastic indoor-outdoor plant pot, and they're only 60 cents each. No drainage hole. And they've got the Leica beads. They're $13 here. Growing media clay pellets, $13. It's a nice sized bag. That's a lot of clay pebbles. These are fun. A lot of interesting little trinkets in here. It's a self-watering terracotta clay tip that you fill and the plant slowly drinks. Okay, they're $5 each. Let's get a closer look and make sure. Clear glass, no, that's for the mister. Oh, over here is self-watering. It's for $5. That's not bad. If you're going on a vacation and you want to let the plant slowly drink water for a week, possibly two, this might be a good solution. These pots are interesting. $5 each. Now over here, nice decorative. The little bumps on them are interesting detail, and the scalloped edging. So could these be $4 each? I'm not sure. Okay, this one's outdoor brown red, regularly $5, now $3. This fits the description. $3 for this particular style. The wicker little baskets are cute. They're $7 each. Now I like this, where the pot comes with this saucer. I hope they're together. It'd be nice that they're priced together. Okay, plant pot with saucer for $8. They sure do have a lot of this brown red. This is a different style. This one does not have the scallop edge, but it is discounted down to $4. These donut-looking plant pots are popular. I see them quite often, whether it's the 3D printed pots or the ceramic. They're very popular, and they're $9 here. This is nice, gray with the tan. No drainage hole, but pretty. And this is, well, it's 3 1/4. So an interesting sizing. Maybe a 4.5-inch pot will fit comfortably in this. Oh, here's that donut in the gray green, which is pretty. Is this one larger? It's a larger pot, yes. They're 2 different sizes. The size on this one is a 6-inch, so this will hold a nice 6-inch plant. And what is the price? I'm not sure of the price on this. The names are not matching, but beautiful. They also have tons of saucers. Here's a few more of those donut pots. Just all cute. Every time I come to Ikea, I love checking out their pots just to see what they've got. They've got tons of variety, and I like that they've got a few of the pots on sale right now. I see something over there for 99 cents. Oh, it's the gold pot. Normally $2, now down to 99 cents. They're sort of a metal. They're not too flimsy. Sturdy pots for 99 cents. Thanks for joining me on the shopping trip, plant friends. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on Instagram at Life of Bellina.